Raja encourages math students to join their respective house. Each team have their own cheer. Math Sinadya fosters connection among math majors. First, improves communication, enhances collaboration and understanding among team members. Second, boosts morale, fosters a sense of unity and camaraderie. Third, increased productivity, encourages teamwork, leading to better problem solving and efficiency. Fourth, build trust and reliance among team members. Fifth, enhances creativity, encourages innovative thinking and idea sharing. The event includes performances, exhibitions, and activities aiming to make the day fun, memorable, and full of connection. Together as math majors, we just only exist not only in numbers, but we exist in various fields we take. Thank you.